In this video, we'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 10. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. So I just went and picked this up. If you're interested in getting one yourself, I'll go and put a link down below to Amazon. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel at no extra cost. So to go and get into this, let's come on to the back. To open this up, we need to simply go and lift out the card like so. It should go and pop out, and we can do that on the other side as well. We should be able to go and open it up, as you can see. So in here, I've got two boxes. One is going to be the strap, and then one is going to be the Apple Watch itself. So let's go and get right into the Apple Watch itself. You can see at the top here, we've got the strip, which I can then go and peel off like so. Go and take off the box. It should go and lift out like this. So as you can see over to the left here, we've got the Apple Watch itself. So we can go and take that out. And then in here, you've gone and got some documents. And you've also gone and got your cable as well. So we can go and open up the cable just like this. There it is. So you could plug this into a computer or a wall plug. And then this is actually a wireless charger. So the watch will go and sit on it. You can see that in the diagram there. So now let's go and actually go and get into the watch. The watch actually will go and slide out of it just like so. So what we can do is go and turn it on by holding on the side power button like so. So we'll go and grab the other box, which is just here. We can go and open up the strap. On one of the sides, you'll go and see the peel, and we can go and peel it off like so. And then here we have the strap inside. So you're going to go and get the instructions on fitting it up here. So let's go and remove the strap just like so. And then what we can do is go and put it on the watch. I've put one side on and I'll go and do the other. So all you need to do is line it up and then push it in like so. And there we are. And then what you can do is go and put it on your wrist like so. So now let's go and get started.